with the windows down low. Hair flowing like ribbons in the sun's golden glow. Now that seat is empty, there's this ghost in the air, and the echoes of her laughter, that was all that I can share. The pavement to gravel, this road's getting rough. Yeah, this body's broken, Lord, I'm feeling old enough. When I finally see her, she'll feel this empty hole in me. I still love her so much, and I miss her terribly. This old truck and I, we were bound by the road, carrying away her memory as heavy as load. Each hand scratch a story of those days gone by. The mountain tops, traveling souls beneath the starlit sky. From pavement to gravel, this road's getting rough. Yeah, this body's broken, Lord, I'm feeling old enough. This road to travel, now the destination's clear. It's been a long ride, filled with rhyme, a lot of tears. Come on. Lord, these lines on the face of the story you can see. Come on, here we go. I'm a marker of the grave, marker of the destination's near. I'm coming home to rest my weary bones. The engine's running slow, but now the destination's through. I'm coming home, you, my love, I'm coming home. I'm coming home to rest my weary bones. The engine's slowing down now and the journey's almost through. I'm coming home to you, my love. You, my love. I'm coming home. Thank you very much, guys. These guys are great. Everybody talks about